Pepsi, yeah.
And what's it gonna do?
It actually reveals if there's parasites in pork.
Parasites?
Yeah, you have to cook pork so carefully because of this issue.
And then what?
Keep an eye. Well, you can actually see right here, some little pops are coming up.
There are little things coming up. That's not... Is that what we're looking for?
Yeah, except for they go way bigger. Like, they'll crawl their way out. This, I've never seen it start going this fast, but they're starting right there to pop out.
Oh, they are starting. What are those?
Parasites.
No.
Yeah, this is why you can't eat uncooked pork. For real.
Let me see that thing. And there's little... What is that there?
See? Yeah, look, let it go.
That's a parasite?
That is a parasite.
I don't know.
Here, I need to put more on it.
And how much...
Oh, big one's coming. Look at right there. You can see it starting to wiggle its way out.
I don't think I'm convinced.
What do you mean?
I think that's like little bits of fat or something.
I promise you it's not fat. The longer we have it in there, the more they don't like the habitat that's going on. And they'll start to come out. Like, these are clearly just babies.
These are babies?
Babies. I've seen them like get this long.
How long does it take?
Not very long usually. Like, this is coming out fast. Like, these little ones are coming out really fast. And this is fresh.
Here?
Like, look, this is fresh. You can't see that here. This is fresh. Got it today.
And then, are you expecting more?
Yeah, I guarantee you there'll be way more in here. Here, I'm gonna put fresh soda in it. You can actually see them, like the heads of them popping through. It's so gross. Look, you can see them starting to crawl their way out.
This one's moving. Oh, gross. That is disgusting. I am never eating pork again.